What's happening, guys? I'm Curtis, and you're watching Left Foot First. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to get some work done today. It's gonna be a short day because it's super hot out. It's like 36 degrees Celsius outside, which I live in Canada. We're not used to this. This is way too hot for us. So I'm gonna work until I get heat exhaustion and then go inside. But the work that I want to get done, unfortunately, is a bunch of welding and grinding, which is gonna make it even hotter, but we'll see what we can get done. I want to get some more work done on the back half of the chassis. I also want to get started on some of the cross bracing up here at the front. But before we can start, any of the tube work, we need to get that sander back running. If you guys remember a couple episodes ago, we broke the main drive shaft on that 36-inch sander. I couldn't find a replacement drive shaft for it. The company's out of Germany, and I couldn't get a hold of them. So I went out and bought some bar stock and then just ran it up on the lathe. I gave it the same dimensions as the broken one. So hopefully this should work to get that thing back rolling. So before we get started on the car, let's jump over to the sander and put this in. Alright, moment of truth. So now that we're done working on our tools, I want to get some work done on here. The first thing I want to do is, we welded up all this rear chassis area like 2 episodes ago, I think. And now that I've got it flipped upside down, I want to come in and just tack all the corners. I'm not married to this design yet, so I'm not going to go around and fully weld anything until I get a few more pieces of puzzle in there. But we'll tack everything on all 4 corners, and then that way we can at least move it around and we don't have to worry about this whole back half breaking off. Alright, let's let those cool down, jump up to the front. So while we let those welds cool off back there, I want to move up front here. This is a silly idea, but I want to do it anyhow. I want to put the cross bracing in this forward engine bay area. Ultimately just because I think it's going to look really cool, and I need a bit of motivation. So I'm going to grab some 3/4 inch round tubing, and I think if everything's lined up properly, I should be able to go corner to corner on this one and corner to corner on this one, and then just miss each other, maybe even touch, just kiss. So I'm going to cut that to length, and then we can start shaping it, because we're going to have to do a little shaping on the belt sander. So let's do it. All right. We still gotta weld all these little, before we weld these in, we gotta weld All right, guys, I know I said I was gonna get a lot more done today, but Kelsey's family's in town and I gotta go be a good host. It's part of life. So I'm gonna leave this here for now and we'll pick back up on it next week. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next week. I'm out of here.